Hi guys, today I'm just sharing with you all a few tips for this Christmas. So my ham, when I slice it, I always like to heat it up in the frying pan. I find it adds more flavor. So try doing that before you make your sandwiches Christmas, and I promise you it will taste really delicious. The next tip I have for you guys is that I always have extra ham because my ham, I always buy big ham. I cut up some into cubes and I put that aside in a separate bag, slices in a separate bag, so later on in the year if I feel for ham, I don't have to bake an entire ham, and I save the bone to make soups. So I'm going to be sharing a recipe really soon showing you guys how I use the cubed ham, and it's a recipe that I really like, so make sure and stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tips or tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!